we're just so excited because we are going to be surrounded by other people who fully appreciate the power of tourism, that love to travel and explore. So we're with our people.
I am always so excited to attend ABA Marketplace because I get to reconnect with my tourism family.
It's been really awesome so far. It's my first trade show ever. I had no idea what to expect going into it, but it's so much more than what I thought it was going to be.
ABA is the gold standard of trade shows for the travel industry.